Inventory management is essential for wholesale distributors, retail merchants, manufacturers, construction and service organizations, and other businesses. Automate inventory transactions, streamline inventory plans, and manage stock across warehouse locations with insights to increase turns and reduce carrying costs. Inventory management connects seamlessly with sales orders and retail applications. Optimize inventory and automate transactions with native warehouse management. Streamline purchase orders and vendor bidding and use inventory replenishment or demand forecasts to time-phased procurement. Inventory is a cornerstone for Acumatica's distribution, construction, manufacturing, and retail editions, with connections to financials, project accounting, service management, and quality control. Enhance operational efficiency by allowing inventory settings to be customized for specific business requirements, such as availability calculation rules. Side panels provide access to item details with drill downs to information, such as item classes that automatically add information when new items are created. Optimize warehouse and stock locations by row, shelf, or bin for improved picking and put away with carts and totes for warehouse activities. Create non-stock items for office or maintenance supplies, miscellaneous fees, or labor for build services, including on projects or on sales, production, or service orders. Improve business processes and accuracy with advanced features, such as product workgroups, product managers, country of origin tracking, and item classification using ABC codes and movement classes. Improve competitive positioning with price classes that include minimum and default markup percentages and default prices. Side panels provide easy access for viewing sales prices, including promotions and customer-specific pricing. Set up vendors for each item with purchase units of measure, lead times, order frequency, and minimum quantities or lot sizes. Drill into vendor records for addresses, financials, credit terms, contacts, and more. Acumatica supports different units of measure for stock, sales, and purchasing with flexible unit of measure conversions. Define packaging details, including weight, dimensions, and boxes for shipping and freight calculations. Quickly find items using customer or vendor item numbers and boost sales with related items for substitutions, upsell, or cross-sell opportunities. View the bill of material and manufacturing settings for finished goods. Inventory details, such as equipment class, manufacturer, and warranty information, are available for service items. Automate financial reporting and analysis with default GL accounts organized by posting class. Acumatica supports standard, average, FIFO, and specific or actual inventory valuation methods. Default values are easily defined for each item, with additional account overrides by warehouse location. Upload images, define sales categories, add attributes, and create long-form product descriptions to harmonize item details across sales platforms. Define and build kits to stock or for specific orders. Kits may be disassembled into their base components with options to scrap damaged components during disassembly. Create hundreds or thousands of stock items based on attributes such as size, style, and color. Matrix items are useful for product families containing items with variants, such as fasteners, home goods, fashion and apparel, and more. Control which combinations of attributes are available with item masking and custom product descriptions, and use matrix items to enter sales or purchase orders quickly. Improve product quality with lot and serial tracking. You can even issue lots based on the expiration date for first expired, first out strategies to optimize inventory. Reports provide traceability for lot or serial items sold or used in manufacturing operations. Create inventory transactions to receive, issue, and transfer stock by location, and create inventory adjustments or process kit assemblies. The mobile WMS application automates transactions with barcode scanning. Maintain stock accuracy and streamline physical inventory activities by leveraging count sheets and flexible options for ongoing activities by type with online physical inventory reviews. Acumatica supports replenishment plans. Calculate replenishment parameters such as safety stock, reorder points, and max quantities and view details for demand forecasts across warehouse locations. Review and convert order recommendations into purchase orders, drop shipments, kit assemblies, warehouse transfers, or production orders to fulfill demand. Drive demand plans using forecasts, time-phased recommendations for purchase orders, transfer orders, and kit assembly activities with the DRP application. Exception messages help planners understand what actions to take, such as moving in dates or canceling orders when demand changes. Manufacturers use material requirements planning, MRP features, with additional support for manufactured finished goods and intermediate components. Role-based dashboards arm employees with information to manage inventory effectively. Monitor inventory transactions, take action on late orders, and analyze sales for deeper insights to identify areas for growth. Tailor generic inquiries and reports without programming for insights into inventory turns, valuation, dead stock, and more. Reports can be scheduled for automatic generation and delivery, and inquiries can trigger SMS text notifications for busy executives on the go. Connect to hundreds of supply chain applications for demand forecasting and planning, label printing, advanced warehouse management, shipping and carrier systems, quality management, retail apps and storefronts, and electronic data interchange. Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.